There was plenty of political discussion, but make no mistake, the Bronx community took center stage here at the 84th Assembly District Candidate Forum, where members of the community got to participate directly in the democratic process by asking both incumbent Assembly member Amanda Septimo and opponent Alberto Torres questions about their visions for the South Bronx.
It means access, it means opportunity, it means voices are heard and expressed, concerns, and frankly, it's about bringing it back to community. And it's about time.
The event also afforded members of the community to vocalize some of their biggest concerns for the South Bronx.
Drugs, jail, children not having a place to go and play, like the last question from that child. Those are, and of course, the air quality. There are so many different things that are going on in Melrose, in this community.
In answering many of the questions and concerns community members have, both candidates looking to clinch the Democratic nomination offered a glimpse of their agenda for the Bronx.
I'm thinking about recovery overall, so how do we get people back to work? How do we make sure that our kids are back in school, that they're getting the health care and the mental health support that they need, and really sort of recovering from the pandemic.
In this district, we have 8 developments, NYCHA, and they're being privatized. So my focus is being able to work with the community to stop the privatization, because we need to protect the tenants. And we need to be able to come and make a difference in trying to put together programs to be able to give alternatives to our youth so that they can actually do something constructive.
The Democratic primary would take place on June 28th. Reporting from Brook Park, I'm Noah Osborne, BronxNet TV.